Hi guys! It's been a while since I made a video. So today I'm going to dye my hair pink at home. So I've never used a box dye before. I've always heard that they're really bad for your hair. So while I was doing my research, I came across a brand called Overtone. So this is what it looks like. It's not a box dye, it's actually a conditioner that has color in it, and all their products are vegan, so I thought that was really cool. It had a lot of good reviews, so I decided that I was going to try it. I did test it out about a week ago. I did just my underneath part, so you can kind of see there's a little bit of pink left. So that's after washing it like 3 times, I think, and it's still hanging in there pretty good. So I decided that I'm gonna just dye the rest of my hair. My hair is really dark, but I do have some blonde in there. I don't think it'll show up on the brown, but that's okay because I really don't want it on the brown. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So what you do is I'm gonna go wash my hair. Your hair has to be clean, and then I'm gonna dry it because I've read that it does better on dry hair. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, dry it, and then I will dye it. So I'm going for like a brown to rose gold ombre look. That's what I'm going for. Hopefully that's what I'll get. Who knows? I just didn't want to go to the salon and get this done because it is expensive. It is so expensive, and you don't always get what you want. So I was like, I might as well just do it myself. Then if it's not what I want, I can just only blame myself, and that's fine. And this was only like $45, I think. So it comes in a box. I got the kit. So it comes with this, which is the deep treatment, and this is what it looks like. I got the rose gold color, and then it also came with a travel size conditioner and a full size conditioner. And so what you're supposed to do is dye your hair with this. I think it recommends to use this once a month, and then every time you wash your hair after that, you're supposed to use this conditioner. And so what happens is this is supposed to just kind of like freshen it back up, because when you wash it, some of the color does come out. But so that's the good news is if you don't like it, just wash your hair a bunch of times and it's gonna come out, because it's not permanent. And so I think I spent $52 after tax and shipping, and I got all this. So pretty good deal. Way better, way cheaper than the salon. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I just washed it and I dried it. You can kind of see the pink. It's faded a little more, but it's still there. So now let's go dye it. So I decided not to go all the way up. Hopefully I was able to blend it enough to where it looks okay. We'll see. So it's been about 15 minutes and I'm gonna go rinse this out and then I'll dry it and probably curl it or something and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here is what it looks like after rinsing it out and drying it and curling it. I'm kind of digging it. So it's a little brighter than what I wanted. I wanted like a really like pastel pink, but seeing how it did when I did like the test layer underneath and how it faded over like 4 or 5 washes, I think once I wash it, it'll be closer to the color I want. So overall, pretty pleased. My hair is really soft, so that's a plus. It blended pretty well. There's no like abrupt stops where you can see a line from where like the pink meets the blonde. So I think it's pretty good. It may be the only thing, which would be my own fault, is I think there's more pink on one side than there is the other. But that's my error. So I think overall, the color is really nice. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, I would definitely use this again. I'm probably gonna keep the pink until I run out of it, just because I like it. But when I do decide that either I'm tired of the pink or I'm out of it, I'm gonna try a different color. They just recently released a line of more natural colors, like I think they have a black and a dark brown and a light brown. So once I'm done with all this, probably gonna do like a dark brown just to kind of see how the natural colors turn out. So we'll see, but overall I like it and I would definitely recommend it and I would definitely use it again. We'll see how this fades and how it turns out. But yeah, thanks for watching.